Hey everybody! Welcome back to the channel. Are you ready to dive into a topic that might make you a little uncomfortable, but trust me, it's all about to make you feel amazing. Today, we're talking about attractiveness. And no, I don't mean how much makeup you wear or if you have the latest designer clothes. We're going deeper than that. You know how much I believe that true beauty comes from within, right? But sometimes, there are little things we do, habits we have, that might accidentally be hiding that inner sparkle. And that's what we're tackling today. Get ready because we're about to break down 5 things that might be making you less attractive than you actually are. And the best part? We're going to talk about how to fix them. Get ready to take some notes because things are about to get good. 1. Stand tall, shine bright. Okay, let's jump right in with something we can all relate to, posture. It's something we often overlook, but it plays a crucial role in our daily lives. You know how sometimes you catch a glimpse of yourself in a window and you're like, whoa, when did I turn into a hunchback? It's a wake-up call, isn't it? We've all been there. But seriously, good posture is about so much more than just appearances. It's about how we feel and how we present ourselves to the world. When you stand tall and proud, it sends a message to the world, and more importantly, to yourself, that you're confident and worthy of attention. It's like wearing an invisible crown. Think about it. When you see someone walking with their head held high, shoulders back, don't they just radiate this amazing energy? It's contagious. You can practically feel their confidence. It's like they're saying, "I've got this," without uttering a single word. Now, I know what you're thinking. Ellen, I've been slouching for years. How am I supposed to change that? It feels like an impossible task, right? And you know what? I hear you. But the good news is, it's never too late to improve your posture. Small changes can lead to big results over time. Start small. Be mindful of how you're sitting right now. Are you slouched over your desk or sitting up straight? Are your shoulders hunched? Try rolling them back a few times. Feel the difference it makes. Imagine there's a string attached to the top of your head, gently pulling you upwards. This visualization can help you maintain a better posture throughout the day. And you know what's fun? Put on your favorite music and dance. It's a great way to loosen up and improve your posture at the same time. Dancing is like a workout for your posture muscles. It engages your core and helps you stand taller. Plus, it's impossible to slouch when you're having a dance party. The joy and movement naturally encourage better posture. So let's make a pact right here, right now. We're going to embrace the power of good posture. It's a commitment to ourselves and our well-being. Our spines will thank us, and who knows, we might even inspire someone else to straighten up too. Let's stand tall and shine bright together. 2. Hygiene habits that shine. All right, let's move on to something super important, hygiene. It's one of those things that can really make or break your day. And before you say anything, yes, this is totally connected to attractiveness. When you take care of yourself, it shows. Think about it. When you feel fresh and clean, you just radiate confidence, right? It's like an instant mood booster. Now, I'm not talking about going overboard with a 1,000-step skincare routine. Just a few simple steps can make a huge difference. It's the simple things that matter most. Brushing your teeth, taking a shower, and making sure you're clean and fresh. Wearing clean clothes. Those are the basics that make a world of difference. It's all about feeling good in what you wear. And you know what's a game changer? Finding a signature scent that makes you feel amazing. It's like your personal touch. Whether it's a fresh, citrusy perfume or a warm, comforting scent, having a fragrance you love can be so uplifting. Having a signature fragrance is like an invisible accessory that boosts your confidence. It's a subtle but powerful way to express yourself. And let's talk about hair for a second. It's such a big part of your overall look. Now, I love a good messy bun as much as the next person, but taking the time to style your hair, even if it's just a quick brush, can make you feel so much more put together. It's amazing how a little effort can go a long way. A quick brush or a simple style can make you feel ready to take on the day. Oh, and speaking of hair, let's not forget about our furry friends downstairs. Keeping those eyebrows in check is like giving your face a mini makeover. Grooming your eyebrows can really frame your face and make your features pop. It's a small detail that makes a big impact. Trust me, a little grooming goes a long way. It's all about those small touches that add up to a polished look. The bottom line is this. Taking care of your hygiene is an act of self-love. It's about feeling good in your own skin and presenting your best self to the world. It's about feeling good in your own skin and presenting your best self to the world. When you take care of yourself, it shows in everything you do. 3. Hello, sunshine. Okay, get ready for a truth bomb. A negative attitude can be a total attraction killer. It's like a dark cloud that follows you around, affecting not just your mood but also the people around you. Think about it. Have you ever been around someone who's constantly complaining or putting themselves down? It's draining, right? It's like their negativity seeps into your own mood, making it hard to stay positive. Now, I'm not saying you have to be happy-go-lucky all the time. Life has its ups and downs, and it's perfectly normal to feel a range of emotions. We all have bad days, and that's totally okay. It's important to acknowledge our feelings and give ourselves the space to process them. But if you're constantly focusing on the negative, it's going to show, and it might be pushing people away without you even realizing it. It's like carrying a heavy backpack full of worries and complaints. So how do we cultivate a more positive mindset? It starts with small, intentional changes in our daily routine. Well, it starts with gratitude. Taking a moment to appreciate the good things in our lives can make a huge difference. Every morning, try writing down 3 things you're grateful for. It sets a positive tone for the day and helps you focus on the good. It could be something as simple as a sunny day or a delicious cup of coffee. These small moments of joy add up. Another tip: surround yourself with positive people. The company you keep has a big impact on your mindset. You know how contagious laughter is? It's like a ripple effect that spreads joy and lightens the mood. Well, positivity is the same way. When you're around positive people, their energy lifts you up. When you're around people who lift you up and inspire you, it rubs off on you. Their positive energy becomes your own. And you know what's a fun way to shift your perspective? Random acts of kindness. These small gestures can have a big impact. Doing something nice for someone else, even something small, can instantly boost your mood and make you feel good about yourself. It's a win-win situation. Remember, you attract the energy you put out into the world. Your positive vibes can create a ripple effect. So, let's choose to focus on the good, spread kindness like confetti, and watch how our positive vibes attract amazing things into our lives. Let's make the world a brighter place, one positive thought at a time. 4. Your most attractive accessory. All right, let's talk about the secret sauce of attractiveness: confidence. You know how some people just have this magnetic energy that draws you in? 9 times out of 10, it's because they're confident in themselves. Now I know what you're thinking. Ellen, easier said than done, right? But here's the thing. Confidence isn't about being arrogant or thinking you're better than everyone else. It's about believing in yourself, owning your unique qualities, and not being afraid to let your light shine. One of the best ways to boost your confidence is to focus on your strengths. What are you good at? What makes you feel proud? Make a list of all the amazing things about yourself and read it over whenever you need a little pick-me-up. And you know what else does wonders for confidence? Stepping outside of your comfort zone. Try something new, challenge yourself, and celebrate your successes, no matter how big or small. Remember, confidence is a journey, not a destination. It's about embracing your imperfections, celebrating your individuality, and rocking what you've got. Because when you believe in yourself, everyone else will too. 5. Healthy habits for a radiant you. Okay, last but not least, let's talk about how our lifestyle choices can impact our attractiveness. And I'm not talking about fitting into a certain size or having a perfect body. It's about feeling good from the inside out. When we nourish our bodies with healthy foods, get enough sleep, and move our bodies regularly, it shows. Our skin glows, our eyes sparkle, and we just radiate this vibrant energy. Now, I'm not saying you have to become a health nut overnight. Start small. Swap out sugary drinks for water, add more fruits and veggies to your plate, and find an activity you enjoy that gets you moving. And you know what's just as important as physical health? Mental health. Taking care of your mind is crucial for overall well-being. Make time for self-care, whether it's reading a book, taking a relaxing bath, or spending time in nature. Remember, treating your body with kindness and respect is one of the most attractive things you can do. When you feel good on the inside, it shines through in everything you do. 6. Go be your most attractive self. So there you have it, folks. 5 things that might be subtly affecting how attractive you are, and more importantly, how to turn things around. Remember, true attractiveness comes from within, from feeling confident, taking care of yourself, and spreading kindness wherever you go. Now I want you to take these tips and go out there and be your most radiant, confident selves. And remember, you are all amazing just the way you are. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, everybody.